Hey guys, it's Greg from Masterson's Car Care and welcome back. Today we're actually in El Paso, Texas for the grand opening of DIY Detail Supplies with our buddy Virgil. How you doing today, Virgil?
I'm doing awesome. I'm about to do even better tomorrow in our grand opening.
I'm really excited for this. Virgil invited us down for the grand opening of the DIY Detail Supply Store. Virgil had a dream of creating a DIY detail supply store for people that just really love detailing their cars. Whether you're a professional or you're just a guy at home or a gal at home that loves cleaning their car, this is a store that really has everything for you. And it's the first of its kind in El Paso, Texas. So tell them a little bit about your store.
So we've got everything for you guys. We got cleaning products, we got polishing products, we got buckets, we got foam pads, we've got everything. We got you covered from the wheels all the way to the ceiling. We got you covered.
I know, it's an incredible store you got here, Virgil. Like the setup you have here and the culture you built, I think it's a great addition to the city of El Paso. And I really think it's gonna bring car guys together. So what was your idea about creating this store, man? What was your dream?
Well, exactly that. There's nothing in town like this. A lot of people go to the wrong places, they don't get right information, they don't get the right stuff, and damaging some of the stuff. So here you could come, get information on it. We're gonna be hands-on and help you guys out through the whole process.
Yeah, it's a great place to be. And you know, detailing, one of the things that I think about when detailing is knowledge. Like, where do you get this knowledge? Anybody can pick up a bottle and find the right bottle, but it's really how you use the product, where are we gonna use it, how are we gonna get the best results, and how are we gonna get that pro shine. And this is an environment here where you guys could come, bring your own car, drive it into the shop, try all the products, and ask Virgil. Virgil, you have years of experience. How many years of detailing experience do you have?
Detailing experience, we got 14 years under our belt.
That's great.
So with all the stuff here and our knowledge, you can't miss it. You can't go wrong.
Yeah, it's a great place, and Virgil is also the exclusive distributor for Masterson's Car Care in El Paso, Texas. So they're actually gonna have our full selection of products. So all the products you guys see on our YouTube channel, on our Facebook, on our TikTok, that you see just making cars shine, Virgil's gonna have that available. So instead of ordering it on our website, you can just walk into the shop and you can actually try it right here, which is a pretty cool experience. And plus they have so many other chemicals that you could try here in store from all around the world. You have products from Europe, you have products from Asia, products from the USA. I mean, Virgil, you put together a great collection of detailing supplies here that's very impressive.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that. So my thing is to cater to everyone that walks through that door. You want A product, you want B product, we've got everything for you. One-stop shop. That was my main goal.
Yeah, it's a great place. And I know you're going to be doing some also training classes. You have a paint correction class coming up next month, I believe, right?
That is the 23rd. We got a 2-step paint correction class with ceramic coating application. So if you guys been wanting to learn how to do it correctly, it's an all-day event. We get in here, we teach you guys the right way. We teach you the compounds, the pads, the tools, how to do it correctly with no guesswork.
Yeah, it's a great setup you guys here, and I love the passion that you guys have for detailing. When I first spoke to Virgil over the phone, I could just tell, Virgil, you have a lot of passion for what you do. Right. And that passion comes out, it just comes out in your aura, in your vibe, in your energy, and that's why I'm really glad to come out here and just experience your idea of the perfect detail store here. So you have this detail store, you also have another one on the other side of town, right?
We do have one on Airport Road, and that's more catered to wholesale. You have a business, you have a car wash, you're doing mobile detailing, that store's for you guys.
You can get larger containers over there, like 55-gallon drums and big containers like that, right?
Exactly.
And I don't know if some of the guys watching home, they might be like, hey, I don't need 55 gallons of soap, but I might need a gallon of that same high quality soap. That's where they can come over here to the DIY detail store and they can get those same professional equipment, same professional chemicals, but in smaller containers, easier to use, correct?
Absolutely. I couldn't have said it better myself. And we're only about 5 miles away, so the trip is not too far. If you guys want wholesale, we got wholesale. If you got retail, we got retail. We got you guys covered.
Yeah, this is an incredible store, and we're actually getting ready for the grand opening tomorrow. We're gonna have a car show, we're gonna have food, we're gonna have giveaways, we're gonna have a Masterson's Car Care DIY class. We also have a lot of other companies and vendors that have come out to support Virgil and the store, and I think this is gonna be a great, awesome, and you also have plans on expanding some other places. Hopefully we'll talk about that in the future,
That's
right?
coming up. Yes, the plan is to hit other sections that need this quality stuff that we carry, they need training. And that's in the works. We will post the stuff that's coming up, and hopefully we hit everybody in all the neck of the woods.
Yeah, it's gonna be great, man. So if you guys want to learn more about the DIY detail store here in El Paso, go ahead and give them a follow on social media. We're gonna put the links on the bottom, and give them a follow on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok as well. You have a TikTok?
We will.
We
It's
will
coming
come to
up.
TikTok. We'll
Yep.
put the link there at the bottom.
Absolutely.
And remember, follow Masterson's Car Care for all your detailing knowledge and product use on our YouTube channel, Masterson's Car Care. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok for all of our YouTube and short range reels we got going on. And I look forward to seeing the next adventure that we got going on. And we're going to be doing a lot of more classes and training out here in El Paso. So I look forward to coming out again to El Paso, doing some training, and hopefully we'll see you guys at the next DIY detail event.
Thank you guys so much. You guys been asking for this. We bringing it to you, training and good products. Thank you guys so much.
Thanks. Exclusive from El Paso. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.